How can parents talk to their children about difficult topics? For example, intimacy, death, relationship. So वो कैसे approach कर सकते हैं अपने बच्चे को?
So, very relevant question, Shivam, because earlier what used to happen is, we've all heard it takes a village to raise a child, right? So earlier we had that benefit of a village. There were so many cousins, there were so many uncle, aunts, people around your age, slightly elder to you. So it was always easy for children to learn about things, right? Which may not directly come from the parent. But now that we don't have that benefit of that village being around us, so the parent has to take that responsibility of bringing up these difficult topics of conversation, right? Difficult yet unavoidable. So what a parent can do when we are talking about any of these difficult issues, whether we are talking about death, we are talking about intimacy, whether we are talking about attraction towards the other gender, we are talking about mental health, any of these difficult topics, the first and foremost thing that the parents should remember is being proactive, right? Okay. So the moment you feel that, okay, the child is approaching a certain age where they are bound to come across these things, right? So it is always better to be proactive, bring up that conversation, bring up that topic and discuss it with them in a healthy manner. So rather than they hearing things from their friends, their own peers, jinka mental level obviously wahi hoga, and they would also have a half-baked knowledge about things. So before the child actually, starts learning half-baked things, it is always better that the parent being proactive and bringing up these topics for a conversation and telling them about things in a very factual tone, right? As a matter of factly. So one has to make sure that the tone is always very, very even and as a matter of fact tone, rather than being too embarrassed about it, rather than feeling ashamed about it, or rather than feeling very, hush about a topic. It is always better to have a very open sort of a communication. For that, if required, it is always better to read about a topic. Reads, listen to podcasts, talk to some expert, be prepared before you are having that conversation, rather than just randomly opening it up and not knowing how to answer their questions. It is always better to be a little more prepared. That's what I mean when I say be proactive. So bring up that topic on your own and read about it. Have a little more knowledge about it, of how you're going to bring up those topics with the children. Make sure that the content is age appropriate.